Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about book review of Analog and Digital Electronics by Sangesh Publication. Why is this book very important for us? This book is the prescribed textbook of Visvesvaraya Technological University for third semester computer science and information science engineering students. Now the next question will be where to get this book. You can get it in Sapna or Amazon. I got it from Amazon for around 600 rupees and you can go and get this. You can see the main advantage over here is this app. What is there in this app? It is there features of this app. As you can see, the study materials, you can get lab manual for your lab. Then there are a few review questions like exercises in the back of every chapter. For that answers you can get over here. In the book it's not given, you can get the answers here. This is by some of the great authors. You can see all the starting of the advantages. I would like to quote, or I would like to say much more. This book is very good structured, I would say. Everything is given in very much sequence. You can see this part B. So part A consists of analog electronics and part B consists of digital electronics. Analog electronics, if you know, it deals with mostly op-amps, BJT, field transistors and various other things. Digital electronics deals with Karnaugh maps, Boolean algebra, Quine-McCloskey, Patrick's method, and various others. So let's keep going on. As I was saying, this book is very much structured. You can see it by your own self. Nextly, the context of this book is very much enriching in information. Means if you read this textbook, all your concepts will be very much clear, and even if you're preparing for VTU exams that will come after 1 or 2 months, then you can score easily if you understand the concepts. Which is this book is the best for understanding the concept. No wonder why V2 gave this as prescribed textbook. Nextly, you can see all these diagrams are given very neatly and labeled way, so that is a very good way of understanding. Most of the people will understand more better with diagrams than with written context, and as a result the author has given neat diagrams. However, they are in black and white, but they are still easy to understand. Next advantage is before the chapter you can see the objectives, so whenever you're reading the chapter you can keep track of what all you have studied and how much it is remaining, but that is very good. Nextly, we have a few formulas which will be quoted before any numerical problems, and graphs are also given lucidly. Examples are solved and it is very good for practice. You can do it. Saying this, now let's move on to the disadvantages of this book. There are not many disadvantages in this book, but few of them I would like to say that sometimes a few words here and there might be misplaced, or few spelling errors can be occur. This is some of the very smallest ones. You can watch in YouTube and you can understand. There's not a big problem. And another, I would say, the major problem is the book binding is not so good. That is there in most of the engineering textbooks, but it is fine. The paper quality is also not so good, but you have to adjust being an engineering student. Other than that, I would say I did not find any more complicated things. If you read this textbook from after going to your teachers lectures, then it will be very helpful for you, means for revising purpose, revising or you're starting a new chapter. This book is very good for understanding the concepts. At the last, I would like to say a few suggestions. So, the thing is, do we actually need to spend 500 rupees or 600 rupees for this book? I would say, if you want to improve your concepts, if you want to boost up your knowledge, means of studying engineering only for knowledge, then this book is a holy book for you for electronics for third semester, because mostly all of your concepts will be clear by this. And also this app is there, you can go and download. This key will be here, you can go. Actually my key little got scratched off, so I couldn't download. Nevertheless, I would say this book is very good support is there. You can go to Quora and you can check more about this book if you want to inquire more. But according to me, this book is worth buying. And if you're preparing for exams like GATE, then having a concepts clear is one of the prior requisite of GATE, prerequisite of GATE, and this book truly stands to it. I'd like to end my case by saying this is one of the must textbooks for third semester CS and IS engineering students. Thank you. Please like, and if you have any doubt, please ask in the comments. Thank you. Have a good day.